Hey guys, welcome again back to my channel. Today I've got a makeup tutorial and also I'm doing a swatch review on the Colourpop Sol palette, which is this one right here. And this is like an orangey, peachy tone palette. So if you're feeling like that summer kind of vibe, which everyone in the other side of the world is, we are in winter right now here in Australia. So yeah, it kind of sucks, but I'm still going to be rocking this anyway at home in isolation. So yeah, I will be swatching each color in here, so we'll get into that. And then also, if you continue watching, I will be showing a little tutorial on how I did this eye look using the same palette here. So if you want to see all that, just continue watching all the way through. So that's that of the Colourpop Sol palette. I honestly love these colors. I'm actually like, I don't know why I don't use this more often. I just, you know, it's been cold so I haven't really needed to, but I just thought I would show this to you guys today, and I hope that this helps anybody if you were wanting a palette similar to this one. This was so affordable. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I'll have a look and chuck it up on there somewhere so you guys can have a look. But I remember this being really cheap, like crazy stupid cheap. And I ordered this. I think it was in my last makeup video as well. I had this one, I had another palette, and then I created my own palette as well, which I'll show you guys that in another video. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the color swatches. If you like the way that my eyeshadow looks at the moment, just continue watching. I will be showing you on how I got this color using the colors in this palette. And also during that video, I did get the Morphe Out and Pout. So it's like a lip kit. Comes with the liner, the lipstick, and the lip gloss, which is what I'm wearing right here. I love this color. Like, I thought it was going to be a bit too light for me, but it honestly looks so nice with my skin tone. It was just the lip liner I didn't use because it's way too light on me. So I like to use like a darker liner here just so it's a bit more popping. So we'll be showing this look here. Just continue watching now. So here I've already prepped my eyes with the tape and concealer so we can go straight in with the eyeshadow. So here's a better look of the palette. So with this look I did decide to go with Floaties. That'll be the lid. Motel, I decided I'll put that as a transition crease, and then Hotel will have that wing effect on my outer lid. And I'm just using this eye crease brush from e.l.f. I got this at Kmart as well for anyone wondering. And I'm just going to start with the crease. So because I have hooded eyes, I am placing the crease line a little bit higher. So just to give that illusion that I have like an almond shaped eye. So just keep blending that through, and depending if you want the color to be really bright, just keep adding more product onto it. And it doesn't matter if the color comes down on your lid because we're going to clean that up anyway. Grabbing my Tarte Shape Tape in the color 22N in light neutral, and just using any flat brush, we're going to clean up our lid. So for all my hooded eye girls, this is a trick I use to kind of make my lid look a lot larger than usual. So I'm tapping the brush on my lid, and just make sure that you're looking straight ahead as well. So when you're looking directly straight at people, they'll be able to see the color in your lid instead of it hiding underneath all that excessive skin you have. And once you have that little guide, you can start tapping away and putting the concealer all over the lid.
And while you're doing this, just try to get that crease line as sleek as you can. Mine's a little bit bumpy, I'm still getting the hang of this, but yeah, just try to get it as straight and sleek as you can. Now we'll just move on and do the same thing onto the other eye. And we're looking a little crazy right now, but this is how it should look. And just make sure both of the lids are looking the same and even. Next we're adding floaties as our lid, and here is the Morphe brush I'm using. And we're just going to place that all over where we concealed. Perfect, and once that's all done, we're just going to do the same thing to the other eye. And this is how they both should look. Next is Hotel for the outer lid, and I'm using this fluffy brush by Morphe. And here we're just going to start lightly applying that on the outer corner. I like to use more of like a triangle circular motion when applying this. And this is going to give us our dark wing look effect. So just make sure to take your time on this part because you really want to make sure that it's all blended nicely together. And also this part needs to be the darkest point of the eye, so you want to just gradually apply more product just to darken it more up. And that's all done there. You could go a little bit darker if you want, but I was happy with this outcome. Now for my liner, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner. So I always like to start off with my wing. I'll just bring it over to the tape, and it obviously doesn't matter if it goes over because that tape will give that sleek, sharp look that we like. Then I'll draw in my wing into my upper lash line, and once you're happy with the way your wing is shaped, then you can go ahead and start coloring it in. Once that's done, you can move on to the next eye. And this is how they're both looking. And now I'm going to add my mascara using the L'Oreal Telescopic Shocking Extensions. Now that we're done, we're just going to remove the tape from our eye, and we're just going to grab a wipe and clean up underneath. And last but not least is the lashes, my favorite part. And these ones I'm wearing, I got them just from eBay, so it's nothing fancy, just pretty simple. And I'm going to finish the rest of my face off camera, so I'll be right back. So I'm all done now, and this is the part where I wanted to show you of the lip kit. So I didn't finish off my lips, but I did line them for you. So I'm super excited to show you guys this. So I do absolutely love this lipstick. It is so nice and smooth. So I did get this from Morphe, and it's in the shade Nude Pink. So that's the lip liner that it comes with. I just wanted to show you the difference as well, so the application there and how it looks. So it is a bit too nude for my liking. I do like my lip liners to be a bit darker. So I'm showing you this one that I own. I honestly have no idea where I got this, but it's in the color Coffee. And now I'll show you the lipstick. It is such a nice, beautiful, light nude pink. I honestly thought it would be too bright on me, but it was actually perfect and I love it. So now I just wanted to show you how it looks next to the liner. So I'm just applying the lipstick, and I'm so sorry because my lips are literally disgustingly dry and cracked. I did not moisturize them beforehand, which I should have, but yeah. It does apply really creamy. I absolutely love how it feels. It doesn't look or feel dry at all. It's just because of my lips. They're all crazy. And last but not least is the lip gloss. So it's such a beautiful shade as well. It does not overpower the lipstick or anything like that. When applying though, I did find it to be a little bit sticky. But then if you give it like maybe 5-10 minutes or so, that stickiness literally goes away, and then it just feels really nice and comfortable on your lips. I also found it to be pretty hydrating as well. Like you can see right here, it doesn't look cracked or anything like that anymore. And now I'm going to finish off my lower lash line. So using the color Hotel, I'm going to grab my Morphe brush, and I'm just going to start applying that on my lower lash line. Also, I just wanted to say that this part is totally optional as well. If you're happy with the top part, you don't have to add any color to the bottom. Next, I'm going to add some color in the tear duct just to kind of merge all the colors together. And you want to go for a lighter shade for this part, so I chose B and B. as having a lighter shade in the corner does give that illusion of a bigger eye. Now I'm just going to grab the same mascara and I'm going to apply it to my bottom lashes. This part is totally optional as well, but if you do want to do it, just take your time and you just want to lightly tap onto the ends of your lashes. You don't want it to be too thick and gluggy, because it's just not going to look pretty if you have it too thick. So here it is, guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and hope that it was helpful for you guys as well.
So that's the end of my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Also, just wanted to announce as well, I did create a new Instagram page. I still have my personal one, but I wanted to keep all the beauty and makeup stuff kind of away from that. So I did create a new Instagram account. I'll add the name down the bottom. Whenever I do any reviews, I will be posting mainly on there most of the time, and then I'll do my reviews afterwards. But if you want to keep in the loop, go ahead and follow me on that Instagram page, and yeah, I'll be posting polls and everything, so I can kind of get an idea of what you guys want to see and what you prefer, all that kind of jazz. Also, if you want to find out more information on this wig that I'm wearing as well, I'll add the link card at the top here. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped anybody on how to kind of, you know, do their makeup or what colors to use, la la la, you know. Hope everybody is staying safe in isolation, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.